Welcome to Biology at Priyajit, my dear viewers. Today we will explore the regulation of DNA replication in bacteria or prokaryotes, focusing on the crucial role of DNA methylation in E. coli. We will understand how the OriC region acts as the origin of replication, how DAM methylase enzyme adds methyl group to GATC sequences, and how SeqA protein temporarily blocks reinitiation to ensure replication occurs only once per cell cycle. So get ready to decode the elegant molecular control system that maintains genomic stability in bacteria. Role of DNA methylation in replication regulation. Step by step mechanism is following. In fully methylated state, replication is allowed. Before replication, all GATC sites at OriC are fully methylated. Then DNA A protein binds to OriC and replication begins. This is the active state for replication initiation. And then hemimethylated state, which is formed immediately after replication. So what happens after replication? Parent strand becomes methylated and newly synthesized strand becomes unmethylated. So this condition is called as hemimethylated DNA. At this stage, replication cannot restart immediately, so it prevents the reinitiation process, and this ensures replication happens only once during a cell cycle. Sequestration by SeqA protein involved, that is SeqA, which binds to the hemimethylated GATC sites and it blocks access of DNA A to ORI site and temporarily prevents the reinitiation of bacterial DNA replication. So this time period is called as sequestration period, and that's why the enzyme named as SeqA protein, as in, that is the SeqA gene product. So OriC at that time remains inactive during this period. So remethylation, then further DAM methylase gradually methylates the new strand and DNA becomes fully methylated again. So OriC is now ready for the next round of replication. Summary: what happens? Fully methylated condition, replication begins. Hemimethylated condition, SeqA binding, that is sequestration, further which is followed by remethylation, and it is ready for next cycle. So in conclusion, my dear students, we can say that the regulation of DNA replication in prokaryotes is a highly coordinated and precise process that ensures replication occurs only once per cell cycle. In E. coli, the OriC region serves as the replication origin, while DAM methylase controls the methylation states at GATC sequence. The temporary hemimethylated state, along with SeqA mediated sequestration, prevents immediate reinitiation of replication. Once remethylation is complete, OriC becomes ready for the next cycle. Together, these mechanisms maintain proper timing, genomic stability, and faithful transmission of genetic information, demonstrating the elegant molecular control with bacterial cells. Thank you.